In this video, we will discuss about different points like what you should consider while purchasing a new thermosteel water bottle, different best recommended thermosteel water bottle, and comment on most asked question of people. And if you like this video, then please hit like and subscribe button. To find the best thermosteel water bottle in India for your need, you have to look around some of the factors and your requirements. These factors are related to the various features of the thermosteel water bottle. Number 1 is capacity. In the market, different capacities of thermosteel water bottle are available. That's why this is very important to have the knowledge of this basic term too. More capacity will lead more weight, which makes thermosteel water bottle difficult to handle and carry. Second most emphasizing point is, if you buy bottle with more capacity, then more air will accumulate while opening and closing of the cap, which further contribute to heat loss. Second is opening of bottle. If you have thermosteel water bottle with wider opening, then more heat loss will occur. That would ruin your experience. That's why bottle with flip lid opening is considered better option, as it provides you ease of opening and better heat retention. Third is flip lid. This factor is already been discussed above, but what we want to emphasize is other factors related to the use of flip lid. Flip lid opening helps in easy pouring of beverages without any spillage. Fourth is outer body. This factor quite often neglected by most of the people because it depending on your requirement. If you want thermosteel water bottle for outside sports or something like this where you need more handling, then you need better grip and sweat-free surface for better experience. Number 5th is handling. Most of the thermosteel water bottle comes with either carrying bag or hanging hook, which helps you in better handling for outside requirements. Top thermosteel water bottle in India.
Number 1 in our list is Milton Duo DLX thermosteel water bottle. Milton is one of the recommended brand in India. This water bottle comes with high quality stainless steel and double wall insulation. This type of thermosteel water bottle is good for home, picnic and outdoors. It comes with rust free and BPA free, which do not affect the original taste of beverages inside the bottle. It comes with better grip and handling property. Due to small opening, cleaning of the bottle is not so easy. But in spite of this, it is the number 1 and recommended by us, as it comes at affordable price and has all the features that would definitely fit your need. And it comes with 1-year warranty. Number 2 in our list is Milton Thermosteel Flip Lid Flask. This is the second most recommended thermosteel water bottle in the list due to its some of the admirable features. The two features which I want to emphasize are flip lid and carry bag, which comes with the bottle. With the help of the flip lid, you can easily access the beverage without any spillage and loss of heat. Carry bag makes the handling of the bottle easy. Rest of the features are same, like it also comes with stainless steel and BPA free material and 1-year warranty. This type of bottle is good for sports, school and gym. Number 3 in our list is Cello Swift Steel Flask. This is also the well-known brand in India, and thermosteel bottle of this brand are also of the best quality. This bottle comes with double wall high quality stainless steel and 1-year warranty. It is also made up of BPA and rust free material, and due to smaller opening, you may get some problem in cleaning.
Number 4 in our list is Cello Lifestyle Stainless Steel Flask. This bottle is almost similar to the second one, but you won't get any carry bag. But still it is the best option that you can have. It has flip lid opening and cap cum cup. Flip lid give you easy access to beverage without any spillage, and cap cum cup helps you in serving your beverage. This bottle is good for gym, sports and school. And it is also comes with all of the basic features such as stainless steel double walled insulation, BPA free material and 1-year warranty. In number 5, we have the collection of different fancy look thermosteel bottles. From well-known brands, you can consider any of them. Each of them are best with low heat retention property as compared to the above 4, but still are best. These two are best in quality and looks. The final conclusion is, if you need a bottle for sports and heavy movement, then you go with flip lid cap or bottle with better handling. And the best recommendation for this is Milton Thermosteel Flip Lid Flask. And if you need bottle for picnic, home use and other similar work, where you do not need much movement, then you can go with Milton Duo DLX thermosteel water bottle. And at last, please if you like this video, then hit like and subscribe button.